Okay, Dad, time to do it.
Okay. This right here, you see this thing goes over here?
Yeah.
It's actually a screw, so I'm going to unscrew it.
Why are you unscrewing it?
Because that's what you have to do. You have to go to the left to unscrew it.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Okay.
This little thing's holding up everything. This little tiny screw. Okay, see?
It's out.
You don't want to lose that, okay? So I'm going to put it right there.
I'll hold it for you.
I don't even know what they call it. And then you take off the what do you call this?
Oh. Never knew that.
Clean it with a white.
I'll clean the
This.
dust real quick. I'll come back so you can
And this. That's what it would look like with the string on it. But now it looks disgusting.
I'll show you the dust real quick.
Okay.
Why is this all askew? Piece of crap. Show the YouTubers.
Oh my god. It stinks like
What is
shit.
dust exactly? What comprises dust? What makes up
Well,
dust?
the smoke can.
How does dust occur? From our skin. Our skin is always, it's microscopic. You can't see it unless you have a microscope. It's so small, but our skin flakes off and turns into dust. What else makes dust? I told you this before.
Fart.
Farts, yep. Nasty but true.
And you know what?
What?
If dust is like, if there's like,
Oh, that nasty boy. Nasty boy.
oh, you got luxurious.
I got a dust moat. They call them dust moats. M-O-T. Which is a ball of dust.
Mom, did you know what happened?
What, baby boy?
Dad got dust on luxurious.
Oh my gosh.
I picked it up.
Oh,
Okay,
no.
babe. These are the light
I hope I
bulbs.
got the right one. Did you
Yeah.
see them?
I have no idea. Do they not look the same?
You said they were short.
I don't care as long as they fit in there.
We'll see.
Where are they?
I think they're in that bag right there, no?
It really
No.
doesn't look that good.
In there, maybe?
You're changing the light bulb.
Downstairs, maybe? I don't know, babe. I brought them, and I don't know where they are now. Over there on the side? I'm sorry. I think that might be downstairs.
Okay, look, I'm gonna go get the light bulbs and I'll be back.
Doesn't work. That's why we're changing the light bulbs, because it's a piece of dog crap. There we go. That's the fan. And where's the thing? Now I'll eventually find it. Find it? No? Oh, here it is. It's on luxurious. I'll leave that there so that Dad can find it really soon. How about the fan thing? Let's check the fan. Check the fan. Well, can I check the fan now?
Yeah?
Ooh, what's going on? But can we turn it off now?
Yeah, girl.
Why? Too cold? Okay, I'm turning it off. It's getting a little bit fast still. It has extra speeds. Okay, one more time. Okay, it's turning off. On the video, it looks super fast. But on real life, it looks slow. Okay. What?
I'm trying to do
Lexi's on the pillow. It's hooked up to the cell and it's going a little bit fast, but Eventually, I'll just slim it down. What is this thing even for? I always wondered what it looks like in there, but now it looks disgusting in real life.
I recommend Nature Made vitamins because I trust their quality. They were the first to be verified by USP, an independent organization that sets strict quality and purity standards. Nature Made, the #1 pharmacist recommended vitamin and supplement brand.
I told him he has to stay here. He can't just go to him. I told him he goes from one leg and come back over. Alright, we're going to see if we...
Did you find them?
No, my dad had some.
Oh,
I'm
babe,
gonna
what are you gonna do with them? Do you have two?
Let's just see what happens, babe. Whoa.
Oh, that thing's bright.
Yay!
It's a bright light.
Bright light.
Ding a ding a ding ding. Such a bright light, huh?
Well, it's about time.
Oh, let me.
What's the average that most people spend trying to fix a light bulb? Like
Oh, it's
4, 4,
it's bright, huh?
What do you mean?
Like, how long was it for your dad to get it up?
The day that the light bulb went out.
When was that? Let's put a little closer now.
I'm not crazy about that one.
There.
You're not crazy about the light.
I'm not crazy about this. I'm gonna do a couple of different ones.
So when you screw it in, you have to go to the right. When you want to screw it,
Righty tighty.
if you want to put it in, it goes to the right. If you want to take it out, it goes to the left. So to the right is in, to the left is out. That's about as much handyman advice I'm ever probably going to depart you with. Because that's about the extent of my knowledge there. If it comes to if you ever want to make a computer together, I can help you with that.
Do you want to help Daddy build a computer, Aleko?
Yeah.
Well, we were going to do it. Jake was supposed to be involved. And
I think Aleko would be interested.
Well, Jake does nothing but his Xbox and his laziness.
Is the Roomba running down there?
yeah.
Jake's the laziest person in the house.
I love you, man.
Move, dog.
What the heck, Dad? Oh.
Okay, I have to hold this up, right? And now I have to put this thing on. I don't know what this is called. It's just like, I'm sure there's an actual technical term for it.
How do you hold that thing on there?
You just have to hold it with your muscles.
How do you hold that cover on there?
It's not easy. Especially after you work out your shoulders and your planks for freaking 6 minutes.
But look at that strong muscle you have.
Daddy does have strong muscles.
They're not that strong.
Yes, they are.
They're really not.
Look, I told Dad not to be.
I've seen strong men.
Tell Daddy not to be so modest.
It's not modest, it's big. Compared to a real strong guy, plus I'm injured too, so
Okay, now we have light.
we have light. Aren't you happy, man?
Okay.
Oh yeah, plenty. Okay, look, you have to move on. I've done my work for the day.
Okay, bye
Cookie
guys.
is in between the bed. Look, that's a precarious position for Cookie. You know what precarious means?
What?
It means dangerous because it could fall under the bed. Maybe you just scoot up because your pillow is fixing to fall under the bed.
And